When setting up your users, you must select which roles and permissions they have. In this module, learn about different user roles and what areas they can view or edit in Tidy. Go to Users under Global Settings to create or edit a user. Under Roles, you'll see two subsets of users, Managers and Team Members. Under Manager Users, we have System Admins and Resource Admins. System administrators have full access to everything in the Global Settings tab aside from users. Resource administrators can edit the Xero setup and manage users. They have more functionality under TidyWork and Tidy Enterprise plans. There are 4 types of team users. Invoicers can generate invoices when sales are made. A salesperson can create and manage sales orders. If you want them to be able to edit and view all pricing information, click the first checkbox. If you want them to be able to view and edit the charge price but not the unit cost, click the third checkbox. You can also choose whether they can view the inventory dashboard. A purchaser can generate purchase orders. You can also choose whether they can approve and send purchase orders and whether they can archive material items. Lastly, a reporter can generate reports.